Hi everybody, this is another video about unboxing a box. This one is quite large. If you saw my previous video, you know that we have a few parts already. So if you want to check it out, check back in the channel. Other than that, this is a big box. It's quite heavy, quite a lot of stuff. I kind of forgot what I ordered, so let's find out together. Again, what you need, nice big sharp knife. Well, big, it's actually the size of my hand. So let's start cutting away. So far it seems really well packed. Good shop, by the way. Don't know if anybody recognizes what it is, but I don't think they can go out the country. Packaging is amazing. It got a few dents, but I feel everything is fine. It has been in the other one. Yeah, this is kind of blocking everybody's view. So let's put it down somewhat, and I'll take stuff out as it comes. My God, it's heavy. We had some technical difficulties. I knocked the tripod. Anyway. So we have a fan splitter by Akasa, is that how you say it? Looks rather nice, it's braided, it's PWM. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Then we have one of these, a Samsung 960 Evo. 1 terabyte, and yet another one, also 1 terabyte. I'll mostly be using one of these for an OS and a whole bunch of games and programs and stuff like that, and one for a scratch disk and projects and stuff like that. And then once it's done, everything can go on the WD Red 10 terabyte. They look rather nice. Let's hope they perform well. We'll find that out in a later video. Oops. Finally. Nice new keyboard. Intelligent RGB LEDs. Cherry MX Brown. This looks like a very decent keyboard. I mean, right now I use a fairly standard dome cap keyboard, which is decent and quiet, and I kind of want to keep the quiet, but I also kind of wanted the mechanical keys. And why not go RGB? The price difference wasn't all that much, so if I ever decide to light it all up for gaming and whatnot, kind of nice. And it's a lot smaller, obviously. I mean, you still have the arrows if you want to, which is exactly what I was intending to, because I got quite a bit of sort of shoulder strain from sitting too far apart. So this should be a nice addition. Next up, a box in a box. Get the trusty knife out again. Bloody hell. This is packaged well. And another one on the side. Doesn't end. That's that. Oh. And then more. And more. And as luck would have it, it's another box in a box. In a box. Yes. As I said in my previous video, my old system is getting quite old. I'm still rocking a 780, not even a TI version. So this should be a hefty upgrade, which is rather nice. Yeah, so we'll try it out, see if any sort of overclock we'll be able to get. I expect we will. And we'll probably do a separate unboxing of the unboxing of the unboxing, if you will. Let's put this way. So the system is coming together a little bit. Then next up is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 240. Don't know if this is sold everywhere. It is in Europe. Carbon neutral. Yeah, I bet. Anywho, comes with 4 fans, which I will most likely replace. It got very good reviews on a bunch of sites, so I thought give it a go. I mean, it's quite daring that they try to place this on there, so we'll see what it actually does. It's supposed to be a very thick radiator, and with the case I have, which I haven't unboxed yet, it'll probably not fit with the 4 fans. That's why I have 2 of those. Anyway, if anybody's interested. Yeah, so there you have it. They're supposed to be quite silent, better than all the other AIOs on the market, so we'll see how they fare. Their stuff for graphic cards seems to be quite good, so yeah. Next up is this gigantic box, which should go nice and well with the black and white theme. It's the Asus Prime X299 Deluxe. Not sure if I need all the features, but I really like that screen for just monitoring. We'll see how accurate it is. You never know. And it has 2 M.2 slots and a bunch of other features. Again, this will be fitted with my 7820X, and we'll start building this soon. It looks like a very nice and solid board, and because it's an 8-core I'm going with, I don't think the VRMs will get as hot as they do with like the 7900X or above, which is most likely a good thing. Cool, we'll unbox that later as well. And then we have some Trident G DDR4 3600 megahertz RGB memory. I think, yeah, I ordered it correctly. It's 32 gigabytes, gives us a nice big bump. Again, my old system is getting quite knackered. I only rock 8 gigabytes at the moment. Again, this is a hefty upgrade, so it'll be nice for, well, future proofing, more like future compatibility, but we'll see. Also like that it's color, you can switch it off, and that actually ties in with the BitPhoenix RGB strip. It's magnetic, so we'll see how actually well magnetic it is. I mean, it says magnetic, but I see a sticky strip, so I have no idea if this is actually going to work properly or not. I doubt this is the... It almost seems like it's been repackaged, but we'll see. We'll test it soon. Is there any more? Nah, that'll be it. So there you have it. This is part 2, and somewhere in the future we'll put this all together and we'll show you the results. If you like what you see or want to keep up with what I'm doing or any of the Bang & Olufsen stuff, please give a like and subscribe, and have a good day.